Hey guys, it's Wes with Auto Technology Repair. Today we've got a 12-inch rear entertainment LCD for the LX570 and I believe the RX vehicles. Today what we're going to be doing is showing you how to get to a damaged LCD. However, we in particular are going to be replacing this damaged circuit board, which we've already replaced the LCD, so we're going to hop in there right now. First off, we're going to go ahead and take off these covers that cover your screw holes. I believe that there are going to be about 8 of them, but we'll watch Michael work. So you'll see on the back portion of the unit, it looks like there's 5 Phillips head screws he's removing. Now we're going to gently pry this plastic clamshell case apart. Gentle being the key word. This is a very expensive unit. So now we're going to go ahead and separate this ribbon cable by gently flipping the black latch upwards and then wiggling the ribbon cable out. Now we're going to pop this little plastic retainer off. This is just allowing us to separate the LCD from the back portion of the unit. We'll flip this up. Now I believe we're going to have 4 more plastic covers to pop off. Give us access to 4 more screws. There's 6. So there's going to be 6. Let's get a couple more up front here. Now that we've taken all 6 of those off, we're going to gently pry, I believe, the back portion of this clamshell off, just along the seams there. Get inside here. So before we go pulling the LCD off, I believe we've got a couple cables that need to be separated. That guy? You see, and this guy here. 1 more ribbon cable and 1 power cable that are going to be gently pried off. Looks like that power cable has a metal latch that flips up. And then we'll just gently pull that out of the way. And then one more ribbon cable. Very similar to the first one, we'll flip that black latch up.
And then come back here and make sure that this is loose again.
So that ribbon cable is going to need to feed through as he pulls the LCD out. And once again, guys, these are very intricate and very expensive if you were to damage them. If you're thinking about doing this yourself, you can always send it in to us to have us do the full service repair.
I'm gonna take this one.
So there's one more ribbon cable right there if you didn't catch that. So that's actually the circuit board that we are looking for, being that we actually damaged that upon assembly. So we'll be replacing it with a new one.
And this feels like it's gonna break, but you just have to pull gently down until it does that.
So that's going to require moderate tension to pop that off the bottom there. Now, once this is separated, we're going to look at the back of the LCD. The LCD that we will be supplying is just a little bit different than the one that you're going to be taking off OEM. The OEM one actually has 4 spots where you can screw a circuit board on, whereas this one you're actually going to want to double-sided tape the circuit board onto, because there'll be no holes to fasten that there. Aside from that, it's going to be a pretty straightforward remove and replace. You'll see this LCD here actually just kind of pop out of the case. You go all the way around here, pop it out. And that's essentially it. You can swap out the old LCD and put it back together in reverse. Once again, if you decide this is too much to tackle on your own, look us up, Auto Technology Repair, autotechnologyrepair.com.